How to sell stuff on Offerup quicker. I am going to show you how you can sell stuff on Offerup quicker. Buying a promotion is an easy thing. Select from our available menu option, such as promote 1 day or promote 3 days. Or you can customize the number of days by combining multiple promotions. If you would like to promote an item for 30 days or more, try a Promote Plus subscription. To get started in the app, tap My Listings. Under your For Sale list, find the item you wish to promote, then tap Sell 2 times faster. Select the number of days you would like to promote your item. Tap Next to open the App Store and Purchase dialog. Choose your preferred payment method, then tap Buy. Once you have purchased a promotion, your item will appear with a promoted icon in featured spots and Offerup, including the home feed, category feed, and in related searches. Don't worry if you don't see your item at the top of the feed immediately. Promoted spots are shared between sellers. Items rotate among the featured positions so all sellers get fair exposure. Additionally, you may not see your promoted item in your field at all since you are not paying to promote it yourself. But potential buyers will see your item in their feed, depending on what they are searching for. To find out if buyers are viewing your item, check the promotion results dashboard. You will see how many views you are getting in real time and how much time is left until the promotion expires. To view your real-time results in the app, tap My Listings. Under your For Sale list, tap Promotion Results. Check how many promoted views your item is getting. Once you have purchased a promotion, you cannot cancel it. However, you can request a refund after the promotion expires. Just know that refunds are issued on a case-by-case basis and are not guaranteed.